Analysis now with Cesar Perez Ruiz. He is Head of Investments and CIO at Pictet Wealth Management, joining us live from Geneva. And Cesar, first, just your reaction to this incredible sell-off that we have seen on Wall Street. What do you think is driving this?
I think volatility, correlations are breaking up, and markets are just getting a bit nervous ahead of that inflation scare that everybody's and the potential of driving recession into. The key question is that policymakers and politicians had ahead of them to choose their position on three key issues that the market is watching. One is the Ukrainian war, second is the COVID policy zero in China, and the third one is the Fed policy raising rates. In all of them, whatever the decision they take might be bad for markets, so they need to choose their poison.
So we have now seen the Fed hike 50 basis points. It's also going to be formally targeting QT in order to address inflation. But do you think Fed Chair Jay Powell made a mistake by taking 75 basis point hikes off the table moving forward?
Well, he can change, and he's been changing his mind in the coming months, depending on where inflation is heading and his focus has been. It's very, very important that the market ends up perceiving that the Fed is ahead in that inflation control. We are not there yet. When you have people like Jamie Dimon saying we should have raised rates earlier, when you see the forward curves continue to go up, Powell needs to increase the pace if he needs to, if things get the anchor ahead of us. That's why looking at that inflation short term, and that more importantly, those inflation expectations continue to be anchored, or the anchor will be the thing that he will need to follow and maybe change his mind again, as he's done already a couple of times.